Hey guys, Dream Wonder here. Today we're going to be doing a demo review of Sonic Boom. So basically got the TV and it's going in. Like the logo, yeah, no crap Sega, we already know it. So, now we're going to look through these piles of boring intros. Let's CryEngine. And then we're going to be starting with this. There's like a glitch I found in the demo. Which you would never actually find out. Which you would never find out in normal games. Or you could, okay, you could do it, but this is in the demo.
He's running somewhere. Wonder I'm so tired all the time. The people
Ooh, no, like we're out there. We have to stop them fast. So you want to be Sonic for this. You want to be Sonic. 3, 2, 1, jump. And automatically switch to Knuckles, which I didn't know would work. Then keep on running. Oh man, that didn't work. Okay, let's try it again. Basically, it makes you lose your characters. Basically, it makes you lose one of your teammates, which goes out to be into the down below entrance, which you want to go to the upper entrance. Hey, Junior. Junior. There's the girls out there. We have to stop them fast. So basically, you want to get on here. You gotta run faster, faster. Gotta run faster. I would have thought that would work, but okay, I guess not. Get that. And there we go. This glitch should work. It was probably like, well, where's your teammates? Hey Junior, like the glitch work. If I'm wondering, well, where's Tails? Look, I cannot switch to Tails or Knuckles. I cannot switch to Sonic or Amy. You wonder why? Because Tails actually never, for some reason, the coding for the game or to switch characters, they make it where you're not in the running section. Right here, I can jump for some reason. So I guess assuming Tails is still in there, stuck in that ready. Which that means it didn't decode him and out of the cave yet. Which is pretty cool. Here's more glitches. Now, guys, let's try to complete the level. Load. That means that we have to complete the whole level with Knuckles. Normally, up there's just nothing there. If I try to go backwards, which I'm going to try to do, Wait a minute, where are my teammates? Oh my gosh, I just lost more teammates. Okay guys, apparently I just lost more teammates. Oh, stop. Yep, Junior, I just lost more teammates. And Knuckles is not on the ground. Oh, and there he is.
Keep on going.
Don't you wish you could clone me? Activate! Connected!
Okay. We're gonna go back for him. Okay, guess not.
Unstoppable!
Wait, what?
Now they're there.
I want that the cutscene when it glitch out because they're not there with me. Well, yeah, that's the Sonic Boom glitch. As I was saying, have a nice day. Train champion.